Remember when I told you no matter where I go, I'll never leave your side, you will never be alone. Even when we go through changes, even when we're old.
Now, in this video, we're going to go over integration, how to find the antiderivative of certain function. And now, if we recall according to the power rule, of the derivative of x raised to the n power, that is a variable raised to the constant, is equal to nx over is equals to nx to the n power minus 1. The power rule when dealing with antiderivative or integration is like this. Instead of subtracting, we're going to subtracting the exponent. By 1, you need to add 1 to the exponent. And instead of multiplying, we're going to divide the result of what you see here. And plus you need to add the constant of integration. So x is over to n power plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So this is an example of antiderivative. And so that's basically the power rules for integration. For some example, so let's say we wish to find the derivative of x cubed. Using the power rule, we see that our n is value 3. So it's 3x cubed minus 1 is equals to 3x squared. So that the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. Now let's say we wish to find the derivative of 3x squared dx. Well, we need to do in this case is add 1 to the exponent and then divide by that the new exponent. So it's going to be 3x squared plus 1 over 2 plus 1 plus c. 2 plus 1 is 3. So we have, and then 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So our answer is x cubed plus c. Because we need to add the constant for integration. If we were to take the derivative of x cubed plus c, we have come up with the answer of 3x squared plus 0. So 3x squared plus the constant of our 3x squared plus the constant of our integration. So this is the derivative of x cubed plus c. It will give us 3x squared plus 0. The derivative of any constant is 0. So we don't know what is the constant could be. It could be 0, it could be negative 8, it could be any number when dealing with it. But in dealing with the indefinite integral, you always need to add c as the constant of integration. Now let's find the derivative of x to the 4th power dx. Now go ahead and work in this problem. So using the power rule, we need to add 1 to 4. So x over x to the raise of 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus 1 is equals to x to the 5th power over 5 plus c. So this is the answer. But if we're going to go in the other way, we can show our answer like this. 1 over to the 5th x 5th to the 5th power plus 6. So this is our answer. Now let's going to try these two examples. We are going to find the antiderivative of x squared dx and x to the 7th power dx. So this one is going to be x cubed over 3 plus c. You just add 1 to 2 and you have the cube. So let's go in, and then the derivative of x to the 7th power is x to the a over a plus over a plus c. And that's the simple way to which you could find the derivative of a monomial. What is the derivative of x dx? What is the answer? So this is x to the power 1. So it's gonna be x squared divided by 2, and it's gonna be plus c. What about this? What if we have a fraction? What is the indefinite integral of x over 4 d? So in this case, what we could do is rewrite it. Let's move the 4 to the front, and so this is the same as 1/4, and the derivative of x dx, and then use the power rule so that it's gonna be 1/4 times x squared plus over 2 plus c. So 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8. So the final answer is 1/8, 1/8 x squared plus c. So this is the derivative of x over 4. 1/8 x squared plus c plus the constant of integration. Find the derivative of 6x squared plus 4x minus 7 dx. We're going to find out the derivative of this particular trinomial. So let's start to add 1 to 2. So add 1 to 2, it's gonna be 6x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared plus 2 minus 7x plus c. 6 divided by 3 is 2 x cubed plus 4 divided by 2 is 2 times x squared minus 7x plus c. So this is going to the answer for this problem. This problem, as you can see, it's not really too difficult to find out the derivative of a function. That's all. Thank you for watching.
Every time I